Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today's video, I wanted to show you how to get this super glittery, super sultry and sexy summer look. So if you'd like to see how to get this look right here, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much again for watching. So to get started for today's look, we're going to be going into one of my favorite palettes. This is the Natasha Denona palette. And this is the mini star palette, and it comes with 5 shades as you can see here. Super pretty. So for today's look, we're going to be starting off with the shade right here, which is the shade Earth. Okay, and we're going to be using a Elizabeth Mott. This is the tapered blending brush, and this is it right here. Really great. Really great for getting all over the eyelid. So we're going to be taking some of that shade right there, tapping off the excess, and I want to just apply it all over. So I just really want a nice even base, so that's why I'm applying it all over. Cosmo is a shade right here. It's a really beautiful shade. It's gonna go beautifully with the other colors that I have in mind for today, so that's why I'm using that. So taking Cosmo on the Morphe Y18 blending brush, and then we're gonna just apply it all over the lid. You can see like it has really pretty purple, blue, reflex on it. It's really pretty. So I first want to just dab it on here, and I just want to go really lightly here because this is going to be covered with glitter, so we don't have to go really heavy. But then for the crease here, we want to go a little higher and a little heavier with Cosmo. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to be going on to the next step, which is actually going to be eyeliner now. This is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and this is in Whirlpool. This is the shade right here. Super pretty. I love this shade. It's one of my absolute favorite shades. So we're going to be using this and applying it to our waterline. I'm just pushing it forward. Okay, so I'm going to just bring my lower lash line down and apply it right into my waterline. I love this color. It's such a really nice pop of blue. It's just beautiful, and I feel like it goes really pretty with the eyeshadow as well because it just really pops. Like it just matches it so pretty. It just really brings out the blue in the eyeshadow, and I just love it. Next, we're going to be going on to the lower lash line. Once again, we're going to take Cosmo, but now we're going to take a flat tip brush just like this, and we're going to apply Cosmo right underneath and kind of use it to smoke it out. And the reason I want to do this is because I just want to bring the color that's on the top on the eyelid right at the bottom as well. So just want to use just a bit of that and just kind of really smoke it out at the bottom. So just really just brings the whole look together. Now next, what I want to do is I want to go into some glitters. So I got this as a gift and I love it. I feel like it's just me. I just love glitter, I love colors, so I feel like this was really great for today's look. And I got really inspired by just kind of doing something really creative, kind of just with like a pop of eyeliner, but glittery as well. I figured why not? So this is the Sephora collection. This is Give Me Some Glitter, and it comes with a white color over here. It has kind of like a white shade of glitter. It has a pink one here, and then it has a blue and pink one over here. For today, I'm going to be using this one over here. And then here is the glitter. So just any flat tip brush just like that. I'm taking some of the adhesive on the back of my hand. And I'm going to just tap it right onto my eyelid. Close the eye firmly and just press on. Okay, then to highlight today, I'm going to be using the Tarte. This is the Exposed Highlight. It's a really pretty shimmer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I feel like it was really sexy, really glittery, really a lot of fun for summer. And I hope that you guys stay tuned for more. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell. That way you can be notified when I'm posting new work. Stay tuned for our vlogs coming up really soon. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.